Disclaimer: all videos and tutorials are for informational and educational purposes only. We believe that ethical hacking, information security and cybersecurity should be familiar subjects to anyone using digital information and computers. We believe that it is impossible to defend yourself from hackers without knowing how hacking is done.
Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will learn about Maltago. Maltago is a very powerful tool to gather information about your target. After gathering information about your target, you can perform an attack to exploit them and gain access. Maltago works in the form of transforms and entities. With Maltago we can able to find information about a person or gather the IP of a website or DNS details, who is records, etc. As you know, information gathering plays a vital role in penetration testing. Still, hackers use social engineering techniques to access their target. This technique is called client-side attacks. Many people are getting affected by these attacks and they lose their sensitive data. To make it simple, from a hacker's perspective everything is data. If they have your data, it's easy for them to exploit you. Maltago provides us graphical user interface to perform information gathering. All this information is gathered by public resources like Bing, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Let me make it more simple. Assume you are having a website or blog. Surely you will add your contact information there. Hackers gather your email address from your website and then start their attack using Maltago. He can perform a search to find social media accounts or other accounts associated with it. Once it's done, he can perform a search to gather your friend's data. A hacker will pretend like your friend and send you some phishing link or malicious app. You will think this mail is coming from your friend, so you won't get doubted and do login with the link provided in the mail or install the app. You are hacked now. Email spoofing is covered very deeply in my previous video. Finally, the hacker exploits you very cleverly. What I have told you above is a simple technique. But you can do a lot. Let's stop this boring theory stuffs and get into practical. Today I will be using hacker's world as a phrase and let's see what information we can gather using Maltago. Now we will use phrase entity to perform a search on our phrase. Let's make our first search. Now let's see the website associated with it. We have got plenty of websites. Now let's gather URLs from these websites. We got URLs from these websites. Now let's get some useful information like people or their mail address, country, etc. So we use IBM What's an Entity to gather useful information. We found some persons here. Let's gather email addresses associated with these persons using email address entity. Now we got email address associated with it. We have got a lot more information about our target from the simple phrase hacker's world. We can do a lot more with Maltego. Just Google to learn more about Maltego. I hope you found this tutorial informative. See you at another informative tutorial. Until then, it's bye from Insan Hacker.